Start your engines. The Cruiser Car Show and Street Fair is coming to downtown Rapid City on Sunday, July 8th. Classic cars will fill Main Street for the car show starting at 10 a.m. Enjoy free live music, entertainment, kids activities, and of course, plenty of great cars. We hope you'll join us for the Cruiser Car Show and Street Fair, Sunday, July 8th in downtown Rapid City. Presented by the Rapid City Police Department and Destination Rapid City.